Tired of losing track of your Chrome apps in the digital abyss? Let's jump straight into how you can uncover and manage all your Chrome apps with ease. First, make sure Google Chrome is open on your computer. In the address bar, type Chrome apps and press enter. This simple command is your gateway to the heart of your Chrome app collection. Voila! You should now see a dedicated page displaying all the apps installed in your Chrome browser. Take a moment to appreciate the organized view. To launch an app, simply click on its icon. For more options, right-click on any app icon. This will open a context menu. Here, you can choose to open the app, create a shortcut for easy access, pin it to your taskbar for quick launching, or even uninstall it if you no longer need it. To organize your apps, simply click and drag the icons to rearrange them in the order you prefer. This is a great way to keep your frequently used apps front and center. If you created a shortcut, find it on your desktop and double-click to launch the app without needing to go to Chrome. If you want to uninstall an app, simply select Uninstall from Chrome. In the context menu, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your decision, and the app will be removed from Chrome, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to view and manage your Chrome apps. Now you have effortless control over your Chrome apps for a smoother browsing experience. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips.